How to set up an account. Step 1. Sign up for a new account. First, go to Tokenize Xchange, then click Get Started. In the sign up portion, fill in your email. Choose a strong password either by filling it in yourself or let the system generate a high security one for you. And fill in a referral or promo code if you have one. Lastly, read through our terms of services and policy and tick agree to move on. Once everything is done, click Sign Up. Step 2. Verification. After signing up, a verification email will be sent to you. Verify your email by clicking the provided link in our email. Next, log back into Tokenize Xchange and verify your identity. If you're a Singaporean citizen, use SingPass. If not, use Jumio. Click on Jumio, select your country of origin and residency. Select your type of identification document. Then click on Begin Verification to continue. Click on Start and choose an upload method. For demonstration, we'll choose to continue on mobile. Now use your phone to scan the on-screen QR code. You'll be taken to a Jumio link to continue the process. Follow the instructions and with the phone camera, scan your identification card front and back. Then scan for facial eKYC. Afterwards, your verification info will be processed and sent back to where you were on the browser. Now, you'll need to verify your phone number. Fill in your country's mobile code and phone number. Click Send Code and wait for the SMS and fill in the OTP you received. Click Submit and your phone number is verified. From here, continue by filling in the required personal information. Pay close attention and check if your informations are correct. Declare if you're a PEP. Then upload a proof of residency document. Finally, click Begin Verification, then wait for the system to process and verify your information. In the meantime, you can start exploring.